Hi everybody, it's Annie Lissers. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing, assembling, and reviewing this pink futon sleeper sofa from Temu. This is item number 14692QQKW. The couch was originally $212.99. I paid $199.69 after using my code ACK035973. Temu's links, along with the couch, are going to be in the description box as well as the comments. I ordered the couch on Sunday night. It was here by Friday. It was from a local warehouse. It came from Jersey to Florida. No problem with the delivery. They put it on my porch. It was going to rain, so I was able to turn the box on its side and get it in. It did come with assembly instructions. I'll leave them here. If you want to see them, you could just pause the video. It did take the two of us to get the couch in the bedroom. I suppose if you are young and strong, you could probably do it yourself. So all the stuff is inside the couch, which is really cool. It came with a pillow, which I wasn't expecting, so that was a nice little bonus. It does have a zipper, so you could put additional stuffings in it if you like. The next pieces to come out are the two end pieces. They just basically slide into the slots on the sides of the couch. And next you have the tool pack. You've got an Allen wrench, 2 screws, and 2 washers. Next you have the legs of the couch. You've got 2 male that go into the back of the couch and 2 female that go into the front legs. Now, screwing the legs into the couch couldn't really be easier. You just basically screw it in, tighten it up with an Allen wrench, and repeat the process on the other side. And basically, you just screw in, put the washer in, screw in the legs, tighten it up, and then that is about all of the assembling. It was so easy. From there, you flip the couch over and put the side rails on. We thought the couch was going to be a lot harder to assemble than what it actually turned out to be. I think it took us about less than 30 minutes to do this. And there it is. There's the entire couch assembled. And just like that, there goes the husband. What in the Rick James are you doing with your shoes on my couch? Unbelievable. My overall thoughts on the couch is, I absolutely love it. I wanted one similar to this at a thrift shop. It was $500. It had sparkle buttons. I do plan on embellishing the couch in the future. If you'd like to see that, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And as I said, the assemble process, it just couldn't be easier. The couch is low to the ground, so if you're tall, it might be a process getting up and down. For me, it was just right there, so no problem at all. My husband's 5'9". He was able to lay down comfortably. And as far as sleeping on it, I'd probably put a down comforter on it to give it a little extra padding. I didn't want to overspend for this room. Temu gave me a great option for $200. Now I have a place to film my videos as well as someone to sleep if they come over. And that'll wrap up today's video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. And again, the links to the couch and Temu are going to be in the description box as well as the comments. I appreciate you spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Thanks so much for watching. Come back